welcome to my channel. If you don't know me already, I am Jane Galena, and I'm also known as Airplane Jane. Yes, I did get my pilot's license back in 1996, but it brought me to trading and being laid off at 8 months pregnant. So this channel is all about my journey of how I came to being a day trader, how I can help you succeed in the day trading world, how I can also help motivate you to go ahead and achieve those dreams that you want to achieve. I lived a life of immigration. You know, I've run 4 different marathons. There's so many different facets to me that I want to share with you in this channel to help motivate you and keep you on your journey to success, no matter what your dream might be. So check out the videos below, and if there's anything you'd like to see, please go ahead and leave it in the comments. I'm always open to helping others. You just have to reach out to me and I will share with you.